ASA glass fiber. So I guess I should show you the test rig before I blow it up. So there's your, our Scotty. It's all 3D printed. But anyway, that's your Scotty adapter end. This is the test harness, right? I got the biggest socket I could, so that obviously fits on top. But this is all pinned through here like it would be for the for the connector that I'll make for you. We talked about reinforcing with those 3 pins, so this will never shear. So yeah, so that is the test rig, and I'll use a torque wrench, right, to measure the foot-pounds. So this is going to be a little video of the setup that we got. Oh, where the camera's at here. Oh, okay, so we got, oh Christ almighty, fuck. All right, so we got the Scotty, right, the Scotty adapter, or Scotty connector in the vise. And we've got the glass fiber one, the ASA glass fiber. It feels a little bit lighter than the other ones, but anyway, so that's our 3D printed version of it. Goes right in, and then I am bolting it to the Scotty. Not only am I bolting it, but it's going to get torqued to 100 inch pounds, I think, or inch ounces. This is a little, maybe a bit much. Oh, come on, there it goes. Okay, so that is what we do to secure this to the connector. Now the good part starts. Oh. All right. So this is the glass fiber at 50 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah. 50. Oh, not too much of that. So that's all it could take, 50. All right. And it obviously broke. Didn't break at the teeth. Those teeth are perfect. It broke at the nut, which this is the failure of all of the tests that I run, was always at the nut. Never at the teeth, which is awesome. This is just the plain PETG on the Scotty adapter. 50 foot-pounds of torque. That's 50. 60 pounds, foot-pounds of torque on the PETG in the Scotty adapter. Oh. Dare it. Oh, 60. All right, 70 foot-pounds. I got some protection on. I got to bring out the big torque wrench. Let's give it. Oh. I gave it up. Ah. Yeah. So 60 foot-pounds. So it broke right on the nut head here. Yeah, that's what I'm using. 15/16 socket. Anyway, so that's where it's been breaking on the other ones. This is not breaking. This joint is not shearing off, which is awesome. Carbon fiber in the Scotty adapter, 50 foot-pounds of torque. Carbon fiber, Scotty adapter, 60 foot-pounds of torque. Oh, let me get a click. I want this thing to pop out. This is kind of janky. Oh, I think I heard it crack. Click. This is a repeat of 60 on the big bar, on the big torque bar. Yeah, that's good. Carbon fiber, Scotty adapter, 70 foot-pounds of torque. Oh. No, there it goes. Same as the other one. That's all right.